Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to see more home, holiday, event, wedding, and DIY decor. Today I want to show you how to make blessing boxes and blessing bags for anyone in need this holiday season and beyond. Here we go. Alright guys, so here I have today my niece Paula. She's here visiting me from the University of Arkansas, and she's spending her break with me, and I am very grateful that she is, because I don't get to spend a lot of time with her. She lives in Panama.
Yeah.
And so I'm very excited that she's here, and we have a mutual love for helping people, especially the homeless. And this is my my third year doing this. I started in December of 2016, so it will be my third time doing this, and I'm basically doing this to encourage you to make your blessing boxes or blessing bags for the homeless, carry it in your trunk of your car, and just give it to someone in need in the streets, or just someone in need that you may know. So yeah, so Paula is going to speak in Spanish. She speaks English as well, but I do get a lot of requests to make videos in Spanish, and I'm just going to join in Spanish as well, but we're just testing it out. Alright, Paula.
Well, es un honor para mí estar en su canal, pero bueno, el punto de esto es compartir. Siempre tenemos las ganas de querer hacer algo más, y si no la tienes, pues nosotras, o con la idea de mi tía, nos animamos a ustedes, sí, claro. Porque siempre el dar, estás tú también recibiendo algo que no se encuentra fácilmente, lo que es felicidad, el querer compartir, el llenarse internamente. Eso es lo bonito, y estamos en una época en la que es para compartir. Exacto. Y estar en familia, estar con amigos, y a veces se nos hace difícil porque creemos que vamos a gastar mucho dinero, pero la verdad es que no, es totalmente fácil simplemente dar, hasta con una sonrisa.
Sí, y todo esto nada más fue $13 por cada persona. Aquí tenemos 2 personas. What I'm saying is that this wasn't very expensive. Yeah. We spent $13 per person. Everything that you see here is from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to do the one for a male, and she's going to do one for a female. So yeah, so let's get started. So Paula, tell me what you have here. This is for the ladies, right?
Yeah. Okay, here we have, the point of this is give people a little bit of their needs. Here I have a bag, toothbrushes, toothpaste, some pads for the ladies, soups, deodorants, hand sanitizer, some socks, and a t-shirt. And then we have a little of snacks. And okay, let's do it. Okay, we're using a bag because we read some comments that is more useful, more practical, and I mean, it's a cute bag.
It is. So we're just gonna place everything inside. You can put as much, as you would like. It's little, anything helps,
Yeah.
Especially the essentials.
Exactly. This is what they really needed.
T-shirt in case, they don't have anything to wear. Socks, it gets cold out there. Toothbrush, toothpaste, soap. And for the ladies, for sure, some pads. They also have tampons at Dollar Tree. And you can get these things at, the dollar spot, also at Target or Walmart. Walmart doesn't have a dollar spot, but they do have very affordable prices there, so.
Let's open this to share with the man box.
Yeah. And to finish it up, we're gonna use, put a few snacks in there.
And that's it. This is how easy it is to help others.
For sure. All right, so let's do the guys. You can also use a bag for guys. They actually had a blue, but I wanted to make a box because I started making boxes when I first started doing this. So if you want to do a box, or you have an extra box at home, then you can do this. Just place a t-shirt here. Here are the socks. Oh, everything so far. Let's bring it over here. and as much as you can fit. You know, it's pretty much the same thing that she has, just, you know, the colors are more masculine. So you're just gonna place it in a way that everything fits. And you know, and I just have my eyes open when I'm in the streets where I'm, you know, especially like at the exits at the highway. Coming out the exits, I always see a lot of homeless people standing there, you know, asking for change or anything, and I'd much rather give them this than, you know, cash, or I'd much rather give them food than cash, you know. So yeah, so if they're really in need, they will take this.
Exactly.
And that's it. Look at this. We don't know what to say.
Yeah.
Okay, so we encourage you guys to yeah, make your blessing boxes and share this holiday season. And it was a pleasure making this with my niece, and I'm blessed to have her with us this holiday season, and for us to share the same, you know, passion.
Exactly.
For helping was awesome. So
Yeah, I enjoy it too. Thank you. It is my first time.
say hello to the people in Panama.
Well, hola. Hola, mamá. Lo quiero.
Sí, Jimmy, te dije que le iba a poner en el video hoy. Later. Bye.
Bye.
Let me know in the comments below if you're going to be a blessing for someone this year.